Hello! So today's question, which we'll be engaging today, is examining scenario B, which looks at the most common answer for the addition of a half plus a third equals 2/5. Now to begin, this mistake I'm sure we've made many times in our lives. In this case, the pupils have simply followed the rules of addition and added the numbers, so the numerators at the top, so 1 and 1 to equal 2, and the denominators, so 2 plus 3 to equal 5 together. Now, to an extent, this shows the pupils lack an understanding of the basic fundamentals of fractions and their properties, and instead have treated the half and the third as whole numbers, adding it to equal the 2/5. In this case, a half plus 1/3 equals 5/6, and we'll get onto this later on in this video. Whilst there is some logic here, for instance, a third and a third equals 2/3, this only works when you can add both these fractions together if the denominator is the same. Therefore, the misconception here is that you can't just add two fractions together without finding first a basic common denominator. So to address this misconception, I'll stress that it's necessary for people to have a common denominator when looking at adding fractions together. As I believe that mathematics is easily demonstrated through examples, I've created the following visualizations to hopefully explain to the classroom in an easy way how to make sense of this issue. Firstly, if we take a third and a half, we need to find the common denominator, so this is step one. By this, we'll list all the basic factors of 3 and 2. So for 3, we've got 3 and 6. For 2, we've got 2, 4 and 6. So as you can see, the lowest common multiple is 6. Now step 1, we found that. Now step 2, we're going to take it over here. Now that we have 6 as our common factor down here, we now need to multiply the top so it still stays as a third and still stays as a half. Now for this, to get from 3 to 6, we times by 2. So simple, it's 1 times 2 equals 2/6. And to get from 6 from 2, you times by 3. So 1 times 3 equals 3/6. Therefore, our new equation for this fraction is 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 5/6. Now, I'm a huge fan of pi, but you can do this for cake or whatever means. So say we take this, we split it into 6 equal sections. Say we take a half, so about this, we have a half, and we take a third. Now this, you can see from the pi, we got 5/6. Now this is very much different to what we initially had as 2/5. Therefore, to conclude, by using the pi's as well as the simple demonstration, students in this case have simply used the rules of whole number, adding them, without first realising the need from the basic fundamentals of fractions to find a common denominator. Thank you very much.